to me, these aha moments are rare, and we were very fortunate in my lab to have a few of them, but I think the biggest one had to do with the discovery of the first gene that causes hereditary hemorrhagic telangiectasia. And that's one of the 3 diseases that we study in the Brain Vascular Malformations Consortium. And I had just started my lab at Duke University. And so we've probably been here less than a year, and we had been sequencing a gene called endoglin, and we had found the first, what appeared to be the first mutation, and it was on an old-fashioned autoradiograph sequencing gel, which is like obsolete technology now. And we found what was very clearly a mutation. And it was, I believe, in a family that we knew much about, so it was tracking in the family. And so I gathered everybody around in the lab, and I said, I want you to all look at this gel and realize that we're in a historic moment here, because we have found one of the genes that causes this disease. And this is a big moment. This is, you know, and I mentioned again, these moments don't happen very often. You may only get 1 or 2 in your whole career, but this is that moment right now. And that's when I mentioned that I said something a little bit crazy to them, because I said, if right now you're not so excited that you just don't want to run down the hallway screaming and yelling, Eureka, then maybe science isn't for you, because this is as good as it's going to get. And you're going to have to, you know, live on this moment and, you know, thrive on this moment. And we were right. That was the first mutation. And we subsequently, in the next few weeks, found other mutations in other families, and then we began to write the paper. But that moment right there, I knew we were right, and it was such an exciting moment. And we, like I said, we've been fortunate in my lab to have a few of those eureka moments in the lab, but that one really sticks as being the first one when we were just a young lab and we had just starting out.